Hello.
Hello.
My name is teacher Alex. What's your name?
My name is Kitty.
How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm good.
Where do you study?
I'm studying at Gibson Primary School.
Wonderful. Are you ready?
Yes.
So look at this picture. So, who is that?
It's Alex.
Yeah. What is Alex doing?
He is running down the hill.
What is he wearing?
He is wearing red shirt and blue jeans.
Wonderful. And describe Alex's hair.
Brown hair.
Okay. Now look. Okay. Who is that?
It's true.
Yeah. What is he doing?
He is climbing on the tree.
Yeah. What is he wearing?
He is wearing a shirt, a red shirt and blue jeans.
Blue jeans, yeah. And now describes his hair.
So has got brown hair.
Okay, now look at this girl. Who is that?
It's Jane.
Jane, yeah. What is Jane doing?
Jane is walking along the path.
What is Jane wearing?
Jane wearing a yellow shirt and blue jeans.
So, and look, and describe Jane's hair.
Jane has got orange hair.
Okay, look at this girl. Who is that?
It's Alex.
Yeah, what is Alice doing?
Alex is jumping in the lift.
Yeah, wonderful. What is Alice wearing?
Alex is wearing a pink shirt and blue jeans.
Yeah, and describe Alice's hair.
Alex has got long hair.
Okay, look, what is John doing?
John is sailing along the river.
And what is Billy doing?
Billy is swimming on the river.
Okay, now look at these cards. There are different animals. So, where is the rabbit? Just gonna pick out the rabbit and put it next to the leaves. Okay, wonderful. So, where is the squirrel? Pick it up, yeah, and put it in the tree. Wonderful. So, where is the dog? Yeah, pick it up and put it on the bridge. Okay. And where is the frog? Yeah, put it in front of Alex. Okay, wonderful. So that's all. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.